Mai, kia ora. My name is Lorelai.
E moa today Winton School, I'm Georgia. Welcome to NEWS News for Ratu, the 22nd of September.
It's official. We have a winner for Tidiest Class Term 3. PDR, please.
For Room 12, Ka Pai. Friday is your feast day, and it's all on again next term.
Okay, into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is puku,
which is te reo for tummy, as in te rohia taku puku. Look at my tummy.
You look here, Kai.
Yeah, can't wait for morning tea, which is like right now, so yeah.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their high-vis vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Into house spelling bee news. Congratulations for the Year 1 and 2 finalists yesterday.
We will find out the results at assembly on Friday.
Today is the Year 3 and 4s. Please come to the library at 12:40 with a pencil for spelling glory.
That's you in room 7, Riley, and from room 8 we have Lily, Ollie, Cody L, Vincent and Zach.
From room 9 it's Lauren, Beth, Emily and Amanda Rose. Kia kaha everyone, good luck.
A reminder about sandpit toys and sports gear being returned to the correct places at the end of lunch.
Do the right thing. Duty teachers and house captains are watching out and there to remind you too.
Mini ball news. You are training at lunchtime again today at 12:45. Please be on time.
And while we're talking basketball, some of those Year 7-8 basketball singlets have yet to be returned.
Tomorrow is the last day, otherwise you'll be paying for them.
And that's all for Winton School News. Thanks for tuning in. Ka kitea popo.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay classy, Winton School. We leave you with some of Room 13's TV adverts for Market Day. 2 more sleep.
Rainbow-licious. Forget the rest. Rainbow's the best.
Rainbow-licious. Thursday 23rd of... That's today!
Hi, what can we get you today?
Everything.
Is this enough for the combo offer?
You have just enough. Step on over.
You gotta hit all the balls down and you got 3 shots.
I came in like a wrecking ball.